Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So here I have matrix, so and one slice. So this is a disconnector. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do here is, so I want to categorize so products based on the sales. It means that so what are the slices selection, so I want to display the best products as well as the remaining products. It means that in my case other products. So here in this slices selection, if I click on 3 means I'm displaying the top 3 products in this category, best products. Remaining products I'm displaying in these other products. So let's see, we will try to do some experiments. For example, I'm clicking 3. Now you can see top 3 products coming under this best products, and the remaining products are coming in this other product section. Now you can see all products. For example, if I click on 5 minutes, it will display 5. If I click on 7 means 7. If I click on 10 means 10. So this is totally is a combination of all these 10 product sales amount. Okay, what are the products coming under the best products? So if we combine all the sales, this is the total. Again, the remaining products, this is the sales, and a total is 2.87 millions. Okay, so there are some cases we'll get this kind of requirement, so that's why. So of course, even in my last videos I have explained around more than 15 so different types of scenarios in ranking and top end function. So if you have did not watch so far, so please try to watch it. Okay, so it's working fine. So based on the selection, it's giving dynamically. Okay, so we'll try to understand what kind of logic I have written to get this done. Okay, go to demo measures, just click on demo test. So try to zoom in. Okay, so here also I have declared some couple of variables. We'll try to understand. Basically here I have declared one variable. So in this variable I am trying to find what are the value you have selected in the slice. For example, if we select 3 means I'm just capturing, 5 means I'm just capturing. In case if we did not select anything, I'm trying to take what is the minimum value in the disconnected time, whether it is 5, 3, whatever it is. I'm trying to capture minimum values in these variables. If we did not select any selection in the slicer, after that I'm trying to generate the ranking in descending order for the each product wise. And finally I'm doing some conditions like if the ranking less than or equal to selection, I want to display total sales, otherwise blank. Okay, so again likewise I'm trying to do so ranking based on the condition. So in the final variable what I'm doing, so if the product list is equal to best product, okay, best products, I am displaying so this variable. In case if the product list comes under other products, I am displaying this one. Okay, so likewise I have written this logic, and finally I'm just checking if the total sales is greater than 0 means I'm displaying this variable, otherwise I'm returning the blank. Okay, so likewise I have written the condition, it's working fine. So that's all for today's video. So I'll try to come in different scenarios in upcoming sessions, like especially in Power BI PageNet reports and SQL Server development as well as DAX scenarios. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.